how to address the challenges of achieving sustainable development goals as well as the Paris Agreement. We need to do this by looking for synergies. For example, by finding interlinkages between SDGs and using mutually beneficial entry points. Using nature-based interventions in various ecosystems effectively combines carbon mitigation and broader SDG co-benefits by creating jobs and supporting livelihoods, as well as improving air quality and our health. This is especially true if implementation addresses trade-off with the sustainable development dimension. Countries in our region certainly must scale up their climate action ambition and SDG implementation to rapidly transition towards zero carbon development path especially for the post-COVID-19 recovery. But then again, looking at the current situation and trajectory, the region, as well as the rest of the world in this matter, is nowhere near to addressing the climate emergency as well as achieving SDGs. So therefore, of course, in addition to advocating more climate mitigation, ESCAP and our partners have started, we just started a dialogue on the issues of this CDR.